So now let's see how we can work around with Tint and Alpha Adjust effects inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to add in Tint and Tint effect first, I'm going to go around under the effects section right here, and over here under image control, over here you can find Tint. So let me just go around and click and drag this out over here on this particular video clip right here. And once I do that, I can go around and adjust the amount of tint, as you can see, to high or low as I like. Apart from that, you can go around and change the map black over here to, let's say, for example, some color like green over here, just like this. And I can also go around and change the map white to some other color like red over here, just like this. And that is what you have. So if I were to go around and change the amount of tint right here, you can go around and choose this out as per how you like. And you can see that whites can be, let's say, for example, a bit brighter color right here as well. And you can see that that is what you have. So the dark colors are represented by green now, and the bright colors are represented by red right here. And you can change the amount of tint right here to get the level of effect that you want right here. So that is how you can work around with tint. Apart from that, you can go around under effects right here, and you can go around over here and then select out, let's say, for example, from image control to keying. And here you can see that Alpha Adjust is an option. So Alpha Adjust allows you to work around with opacity, as you can see right here. It simply lets you work around with opacity level of this particular video clip so that it is transparent. Let me just go around over here, and then let's say I'm going to duplicate this around right here and keep it around over here on the top. So now if I were to go to Alpha Adjust, then you can see nothing right here. But let me just go around and resize this out over here. And then you can see the transparency level around for this particular video clip. So you can go around and change around the opacity level right here by using the Alpha Adjust right here, just like this. You can ignore out the alpha over here just like this as well. So just like that, you can go around and ignore out the alpha channel altogether. So you can see this frame right here, and you can invert out the alpha over here just like this as well if you want, or utilize the mask only effect over here as well for the alpha. So the footage is not there, but only the mask is. So that is how you can work around with Tint and Alpha Adjust effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.